have already started a new lesson, that is microorganisms, and yesterday we discussed the meaning of microorganisms and the various types of microorganisms. Now today I will discuss with you about one class of microorganism which is forming the major part of microscopic organism, and that is called bacteria. The study of bacteria, that is known as bacteriology, and the father of bacteriology is the same as the father of microbiology, that is Sir Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Now today we will discuss about the structure and nature of bacteria. First of all, they are the most primitive life form which appeared on earth. We all know the first life which appeared on earth, that appeared in water. Scientists predict this. So bacteria was that is considered, one form of bacteria is considered to be the most primitive form of microscopic organism, and that appeared for the first time in water. That form of bacteria is known as archaebacteria. Now, rest of the thing about bacteria, all the bacteria, they are unicellular. That means they are made of single cell, and that single cell performs all the life processes. Some are aerobic while some are anaerobic. That means the respiration in bacteria. Some bacteria need oxygen for respiration and some don't need oxygen for respiration. Just now we discussed the most primitive bacteria which appeared on earth, that was anaerobic bacteria. That time earth did not have sufficient amount of oxygen, so respiration in that bacteria was anaerobic. They multiply asexually by fission. Bacteria undergo asexual reproduction, and the process by which they multiply is known as fission. Means one bacteria breaks into two, and this way it goes on multiplying. And they exist in various shapes. There are different forms of bacteria, and their different forms have been classified on the basis of their shape. So let us discuss about the different types of bacteria. Types of bacteria on the basis of shape. The first type of bacteria, the body shape is rod shape, and scientifically that is known as bacillus. Bacillus bacteria are all rod shaped bacteria. One example of this rod shaped bacteria is lactobacillus bacteria, which converts milk into curd. So this is very useful bacteria for us. One more bacteria is Bacillus anthracis, that causes a disease named anthrax in animals. So it can be useful or harmful. Second type of bacteria is spherical or Coccus bacteria. The body shape is rounded or spherical, and the example of this bacteria is Streptococcus pneumonia. There are still many bacteria of different shape. There are many bacteria for different shape. I am giving you one examples. Then Streptococcus pneumonia causes pneumonia disease. Then third is comma shaped bacteria. The body is comma shaped, and commonly it is known as Vibrio. Example is Vibrio cholera, which causes cholera disease. Then fourth and the final shape of bacteria is spiral shape, commonly known as Spirillum. Example is Spirulina, which is a nutritious bacteria, and this bacteria is used for as probiotic. That means it is used in certain food items, and when it is consumed by us, it helps in proper digestion and keeps us healthy, spirulina. And another bacteria which is spiral shaped bacteria, that is Helicobacter pylori. This is a bacteria which causes a disease, ulcer. So these are the different forms of bacteria, and on the basis of their body shape they have been classified into these types. You should remember at least one example of each. And now we can see the picture of these bacteria. The first one is spiral shaped bacteria, appears like this. Second is rod shaped bacteria or bacillus. Third is comma shaped bacteria or vibrio, and the fourth one is round shaped or spherical bacteria known as Coccus. So that's all for today. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.